Welcome! In front of me I have ASUS ROG Phone 5, and today I will show you how you can set up scheduled charging. At the first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to go for the battery. Right now just tap on the battery care and then simply move to the scheduled charging, tap on the switcher, then enter right here to set it up as you want. So here we can set the start time. Let's go for the 5 AM and the end time, let's go for the 10 AM or 11 AM. And as you can see right now, we set it up and it's very simple. We can also adjust, activate the auto end time, so it will automatically set the end time according to our alarm clock, and we will first alarm, our first alarm must be set after the start time, so we can also use it. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.